Alright guys, welcome back to the Broadbedders. It is February, just gone into February, so February 5th 2022. This is not going to be my first cut at season, it's actually going to be the second, but I'm going to get it ready for spring. So yeah, I'm going to be cutting it, and then there's these areas I need to sort out. Part of it was damaged last summer. This area, around here, so I need to sort that out, and I really don't know how come this came about in this area. So I'm going to reseed that, ready for spring. You might think it's a bit early with it being early February, but with global warming we do seem to be coming out of winter sooner. So today I'm going to be using this Matfield. That's the. So the beauty of these machines is it's just kind of like a plug and play kind of thing, where you ain't got to worry about petrol or whatever. It's just a case of opening the latch, just slot that in, and away you go. So I'm going to have it on setting number 3, because I do want it quite low with me putting seed down, because I don't want to have to mow it again before the seed has germinated. So guys, next I'm going to be spoon feeding the lawn with a experimental liquid fertilizer that I'm trying to develop. it's raining, so it could get watered in that way, and that saves on having to get the hose pipe out. Alright guys, so next I'm going to spike this area and along here, so air can penetrate down to the root zone and it scuffs the soil up a bit. Yeah, so I'm going to be using Hurl's dwarf ryegrass, because that will germinate in temperatures as low as 5 degrees, because don't forget it's still pretty cool. I think today it's about 6 or 7, but it could go lower, but next week temperatures are going to rise again to about 9-10 degrees, so if you were going to use a different seed type to that, then possibly you'd be looking at putting your seed down probably March time. But with this seed I did put some down at the end of November, and it had germinated by January the 1st. So yeah, it does work. And right, we'll get on with it. So I've just got a handful, just put plenty on. It is a little bit windy, but what can you do? And I am using this Grow Sure compost, which I had left over from last season. So just wants a light. In fact, that one's pressing in first. Press that in. Just wants a light covering a compost. Could have done with being dry, but you know, you have to work with what you've got. Hold the seed in place, as well as hopefully keep the birds off it as well. Yeah, so that's it for today. If you want to see how I get on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Probably updates I'll be putting on Instagram as well if you follow me on there.